Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be talking about the alphabet. I decided to take this video because I think that there are many of you who are still struggling with it, so I think you will find it interesting. Also, as we go with this video, I'll be trying to give you the examples of Russian sound to English, so it's gonna be easier for you to know how to use the alphabet correctly. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start quickly with the alphabet. I'm gonna say in the alphabetic order, one after another. So just watch me. A, 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 as in the word father, car. Ba, ba, B, as in the word brother, beer. Va, va, v, vase, video. Ga, ga, g, gate. Gray. Da, da, d, door. Day. Yeah, 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 yes, or you can say yellow. Your, your, or York. Ja, ja, j, pleasure, usual. За, за, z, zoo, zebra. E, like in the word meat. C, и краткое, и краткое, и краткое, like in the word boy. Toy, к, к, key, cat. L, L, lamp, luck. M, man, mobile. N, nut, nose. O, more, bore. Pa, p, as in the word pat, or you can say pot. R, rock, run. Ass, s, sun, Sam. Ta, t, as in the word table, task. U, moon, boot. F, 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 food, fat, ha, ha, h, house, hello, ca, ca, c, that's, boots, chair, chair, ch, chair, chat, sha, sha, sh, sharp, share, xia, 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 as in the word sheep or shit. Твердый знак. It doesn't really have any sound, we just use this one to pronounce words correctly after that. Next one is also kind of tricky. We should pronounce it as if, let's say we're being like punched in our stomach, and we should say I, 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 as in word roses or syllable, I. Next one, мягкий знак. It's the same situation. It doesn't really have any sound, just use them in order to pronounce words correctly. A, 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 as in the word egg or bat. You, as in the word you, use. And the last one, ya, as in the word yard or Yahoo. Okay guys, that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you didn't get something, you can always write me in the comments below and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. So we talk soon, we'll see each other next time. Bye!